For our Philly cheesesteaks, we're going to need 24 ounces of semi-frozen ribeye trimmed and diced. You're going to need provolone cheese, a hoagie roll, and a large onion. You want to go ahead and trim the fat off, save it aside from your ribeyes, slice it and dice your ribeyes really small and render the fat on low heat. You also want to dice your onions in half-inch dice, slice your hoagie rolls in half, and set aside your provolone cheese. All of this is ready so we can cook. Over medium heat, add some rendered beef fat to your nonstick pan. And what you want to do is very important. We lay even layer of ribeye on medium heat all over the pan, and you don't want to season. What we're doing at this point is just trying to cook the meat on a medium heat, and a perfect signal to when we can proceed to the next step is there should be no color of red. See, as I'm stirring up the meat, keep it on medium heat. And another important step is no seasoning, not at this point. I'll tell you when we can season, but for now, let's just get rid of all of this red color. Keep it going on medium heat. We're not looking for caramelization, just we want the raw spots to disappear. So in this shot, you see that most of the red's gone, so we can proceed pretty much to the next step. Don't worry about all this moisture here. It's going to evaporate as the cooking time goes on. Once we have no red spots, we can set the ribeyes off to one side and we add our diced onions on the other side. We continue to cook our onions on medium heat as well until they get softened and start to get some color. On another pan on medium heat, we can toast our hoagies. This is an optional step. This is not traditional, but this is what I like to do. Melted some salted butter and we're toasting it on medium heat. Meanwhile, our meat mixture is cooking. Once it starts getting color, like so, we can combine both the meat and the onions together. And this is where we can finally season our mixture. We only want to use simple seasonings, salt and pepper at this point. Salt it to your own liking, and you can give it a few twists of black pepper. Taste and adjust accordingly, and when you find the seasoning that you like, you want to split the mixture in half and lay 3 slices on each half, like so. You want to shingle them. You want to add some water in the middle of the pan and cover your meat mixture to create steam and melt the cheese like this. This is what you're looking for. So you're pretty much basically done. You can add your meat and cheese mixture straight to your toasted hoagie, and that's all you need. We're pretty much done, and this is what the finished product looks like. Enjoy this with the ice cold beverage. I got some root beer, and try it out sometime. It's bomb. Aloha.